Yo, what up? Welcome back to another one. We're gonna continue where we left off. But yeah, let me show you what we got planned for today. So we back on this one, working on the EK. So that's where we left off last time. We do have a little helper today with us, so hopefully that helps us get through a little bit faster. We got Strap back over here. It's getting the rugs all cleaned up for the patch. How's it going, buddy? Oh, yeah. We about to clean this shit up. And hopefully we can get it all in there today. We still have to weld the floor right here for where the shifter would go. So I got a plate, I got a weld right there. Hopefully we get the motor back in today, because I was working on the mounts last time off camera. So I had to drill another hole right there, because like we said, the only support we had was from that one bolt there. So that hole, we drilled it all the way through here. So I gotta put some paint on that. We're gonna put a nut on that side, and then this one we're gonna put a nut facing the top or a stud sticking out of it. So then we have 3 points of support for that mount. But yeah, so let's get started. All right, so right here with that, the hole right there, we put tape on it, kind of traced it over it. So now I'm gonna cut it using my little ping knife, and then we're gonna use the tape and put on a piece of metal and then cut it the same shape and then weld it on. Well, a little dude trying to get in the door. You trying to get in? Look. Carpet is looking like. We might end up having to paint this black, but it's a lot cleaner than what it was before. Now we're heading to the backyard. We're gonna go take more parts off of the black EK and bring it in and install it now in the hatchet. So, hey, you stealing my hood? But yeah, we gotta empty out this shit. We wanna take the brake booster, clean it up, and then we wanna take the pedals out. But yeah. Y'all on a sec. Yeah, hey, show them what we got done, bro.
You got the pedals in. Just gotta get the spacer. Be able to put the clutch in.
Okay.
Got the gas pedal, brake. About to get ready to do the brake booster. Yeah, get to it.
Yep, so right now we're about to prep the brake booster over here so we can paint it. Since the bay don't look too bad, we don't want to put a nasty brake booster in there. I mean, it doesn't look crazy, but it just needs a little cleanup. So I'm about to prep that, and then paint, let it dry, and then put it in there, and then go from there. But we are missing the spacer for the clutch master, so for that 2K1, so we need a spacer that goes right there. I forgot to order that, so that's gonna hold us back from putting the clutch pedal in. But we're gonna do whatever we can do with what we got. So, all right. Well, we in trouble now. She's home. We gotta unload. Uh-oh. Let's see the backup skills. See the backup skills. Come on, you got it. Ooh, that shit, that 6-speed. Y'all heard that? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Nice. A+, man. We get it ready to weld. so we had to take a quick break for some snacks, you know what I mean, and some juice. You feel me? All right, so a little recap on what we got done today. Got the harness out of the other car. The whole interior harness is out. Got the pedals in there. We're still doing a clutch because we need the spacer for the master cylinder. And then we got the brake booster painted. It's not like 100% how I want it to come out, but I mean, it'll do. And then we got the rug clean. It ain't perfect, but it's a lot cleaner than what it was when we started with. And if we have to, we will paint it black. So yeah, so that's what we got accomplished today, right? But
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
we'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Take it easy. Be safe.